Marhaba, it's Amir speaking. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to say in Arabic language about to. So let's get started. About to means ala washki. About to, ala washki. Today we will learn the use of about to with am, is, are. But before that, let's know what does ala washki mean in Arabic language. First of all, we will know about ala and then washk. So, ala is a preposition which means to, at, in, upon, and onto. But when we use ala as an adverb, it becomes in the meaning of occurs. And likewise, sometimes ala is used as a verb, sometimes as a noun, or sometimes as an adjective. But as a preposition, ala is here in the meaning of to. And now we'll talk about washk. What is washk? Washk is actually the masdar of washuka yaushuku washkan. Washuka yaushuku washkan means qaruba wadana. In English, too near. Washuka adhanul maghrib, ay qaruba adhanul maghrib. But when we use ala and washk together, they become in the meaning of about to. About to. And about to points out that something will take place very soon. So, about to means ala washki. Like, I'm about to. I'm, ana, about to, ala washki. Ana ala washki. We are about to. We are, nahnu, about to, ala washki. Nahnu ala washki, etc. Pause the video and look at these carefully. And now I will use about to in full sentences. For example, I'm about to leave from here. I'm, ana, about to, ala washki. I'm about to, ana ala washki. To leave, an ughadira, from here, min huna. To leave from here, an ughadira min huna. Ana ala washki an ughadira min huna. So, to leave means an ughadira. I think you are a little bit confused why I said to leave means an ughadira instead of mughadara. Because ghadara yughadiru mughadara means to leave. But I said an ughadira because of an. Because an is a particle. When you use an with al-fa'il al-mudari, it gives the meaning of masdar. So, an ughadira literally means mughadara. So, both are same in giving the meanings. So, we can use both here. And I used ughadir, segatul mutakallim, because of pronoun ana. Because the sega that we will use in this place always will be changed depending on the pronouns. Like ana, an ughadir. Anta, an tughadir. Huwa, an yughadir. So, I'm about to leave from here means ana ala washki an ughadira min huna or ana ala washki al-mughadarati min huna. I feel he is about to make a big mistake in judgment. I feel ash'uru. I feel means ash'uru. He is about to. Huwa ala washki. To make a big mistake. An yartakiba khata'an kabiran or irtikabu khata'in kabirin. In judgment fil hukmi. To make a big mistake in judgment. أن يرتكب خطأ كبيرا في الحكم. I feel he is about to make a big mistake in judgment. أشعر أنه على وشك أن يرتكب خطأ كبيرا في الحكم. Or أشعر أنه على وشك ارتكاب خطأ كبير في الحكم. These criminals are about to be tortured in jail. These criminals are هؤلاء المجرمون. About to على وشك. To be tortured, أن يعذبوا. To be tortured, أن يعذبوا. عذب يعذب تعذيبا means to torture. But here is to be tortured. So we'll use الفعل المجهول أن يعذبوا. To be tortured, أن يعذبوا. In jail, في السجن. To be tortured in jail, أن يعذبوا في السجن. These criminals are about to be tortured in jail. هؤلاء المجرمون على وشك أن يعذبوا في السجن. I hope you understood the lesson well. If you could not, you can repeat the video again. And now the exercise time. I am about to go to market. He is about to go to market. She is about to go to market. Leave your translations in the comment box by using the words given in description. Like the video and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take care.